everyone, welcome back to our channel. I wanted to show you our greenhouse today, show you how we made it and what we have growing inside. It is the beginning of April and not everything is in the ground yet because our weather has been very unpredictable. We've had a lot of rain, which has made it really muddy. Then we had some pretty hard freezes. It got down to like single digits for a couple days. So we haven't gotten around to actually planting anything in the actual garden yet, but our greenhouse vegetables are doing really well. So let me show you. This is our greenhouse. Guys, it's nothing fancy at all. We have 2 cattle panels that are bent, and then down below we built a wood frame to go around it, and we don't even have a door. Like, we're unsure at this point of how to construct a door. So that end just flaps in the wind. It is pretty toasty in here. And you can see I've got radishes coming up. I really need to weed. I've got radishes coming up here in this part. I've got turnips. I have a lot of carrots over there. My onions are coming up. You can see my onion shoots there. And then my carrots. And then I've got some beautiful looking kale. This guy overwintered. So he has been here in the ground since last September. He's been growing. But as you can see inside, it's just cattle panels that we have. And we used pool noodles right here so that the greenhouse plastic wouldn't rip. And guys, it is really toasty in here. And we are so redneck, we have it held down with straps. We do get some pretty high winds that come through here, but you can see we do have some vegetables that are starting. And yes, I do need to weed. You can see the frame a little bit better from the back side here. And we just tucked the plastic down in and then covered dirt over top of it. And it has worked really well. Now these cattle panels here that are bent, this is what we're going to support our beans, cucumbers, and cucamelons on. So these will grow up on these. And they're pretty inexpensive to purchase. And guys, it really is a good way to do beans. You don't have to bend over and bend down to try and pick them up. So thank you for joining us. I know this was short, but I just wanted to give you a nice little tour of what some of our garden looks like. Have a nice day.